Hey guys, so for seniors, this is going to be your very last project, and this is our last major project. So your assignment is going to be redesigning a cover. So basically, this project is taking a little bit of everything that we've done in class and putting it together. So you have the photo merging element, you've got the typography element or the text element, you've got the graphic layout element, all of the things. So you can do a movie, a video game, a TV show, a book, or an album cover. So whatever it is that you choose, that's the size you're going to want to make it. So for example, like this person created a book. So I would just Google like what size is a hardback book, right? And so like that's what you'd want to make your project. Um, so we're going to be using Photopea for the photo merging aspect, but like if you want to create your photo merging, for example, this person did Gatsby's mansion and then like a photo of the two leads and merge those together. If you wanted to do that first and then put that into like Adobe Spark or put that into Google Drawings, you're welcome to do that. Or if you want to create the whole thing in Photopea, you can do that as well. They all have different strengths. So, um, a lot of times designers will use more than one program to finish a project. So anyway, whatever you're creating, make sure you're getting the format size to start, make sure you're getting the photo element, and then thinking about like, what text do I need to include? So in this one, obviously we have the title. Here's a quote from the book. We have the author. We have a review. So the text is how you're showing me your graphic layout knowledge. Here's another example. This person created something that it's a book, but it's also a TV show. Here's the original, and then here's her version. Notice how different they are. So your goal is to choose something that you can see in a different way. So if something already has a really amazing cover that you can't imagine any other way, that's not the thing that you want, right? You want something where like, oh, I would do that differently. So again, the photo merging, this person actually merged together. So like they took this picture and then they edited it, put some filters on it. They added like a tear here. And then all of this she created. So she came up with the idea of the 13 in the words and, the audio tape and all that. Um, Good example. Um, This one, Game of Thrones TV show and book. So again, very different from the original. Still looks really good, really well done. Notice, in all of these, the unity. So there's definitely repetition. Notice like the same font, the same colors, contrast. So we're using size, the proximity, and the alignment. So all of those things are thought through in all of these regardless of what it is that they're creating. And so I'm definitely looking for those things. Also, all of these look like they could be used, right? So that's our goal, is at the end, it's believable. Like you're using your photo merging skills and your graphic layout skills and everything that we've learned to create something that looks like it actually exists, right? Is, an actual functional design. So anyway, in Google Classroom, you guys have a planning sheet. You guys have a planning sheet, and then just more specific directions that are basically what I just said, but sometimes it's nice to like see it and hear it. And I also wanted to give you guys some different examples. I also have, let's see, if you want to see just some different types of designs. I've also had students do like album covers and video games. So like this is the original. Here's her design. Again, very different for an album cover. Album covers are tricky because they don't always have a lot of text. But notice she included the person's name. She's got the title. She even added like the parental advisory. Sometimes, people will make two, like a front and a back with the songs, and that can help as well. She actually freehand drew all of the doodle work though. So that, it was a lot of work as well. Um, this person did an album cover, and although it was really well done, like this is what she created, it was kind of simple. So then she also made a flyer to go along with it so she could really showcase her photo merging skills, since that wasn't as much a part of this. Let's see, this person, another album cover. So this is the original, and then that's what they created. Oh, this one was really nice. This is the original, and then movie poster. Really good example, really well done. So anyway, I hope it's fun. I hope you have a good time with it and enjoy it and kind of just show me off everything that you've learned. If you are a senior, this is your last project. So your project and your planning sheet are both due Friday. If you're going on the senior trip, make sure you turn it in before that, right? Because you'll be gone all day on the senior trip. My sophomores and juniors, obviously you're not going on the senior trip, so we'll turn them in on Friday, and then we'll just do some more independent, we'll talk about it, we'll do some smaller things the last week or so of school. So anyway, I look forward to seeing what you come up with. If you need help, let me know. Again, we're using Photopea, but you're welcome to use drawings and Spark with it if you'd like to. Make sure you pay attention to the size and layout that you're making yours, that it's appropriate for the product that you're creating. So anyway, enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later.